Hey folks, Captain Mike here from Hogy Lure Company. Here I have our 7-foot Hogy pocket surf rod. Now you may be saying, looks a little bit like a 1970s surf rod. Well, you're right, because that's what this rod is modeled after. Back in the day, these rods had to push thick, heavy mono on a heavy fiberglass rod long distances. Well, today we've got high modulus graphite and light lures, but we're borrowing the same principle for long distance casting. We just have a few guides, in this case 4, plus the rod tip, and they're forward facing, so that's gonna leave a nice angle on the trajectory for casting. And what I like about the tip forward guides, if you're casting with a little bit of a lighter lure, it's gonna load just the tip section, but again, if you're fishing with a heavier lure, the energy is gonna transfer down. So it's really 2 rods in one. Cast little lighter lures off the tip section, or heavier lures off the mid section. Now, is this rod super accurate? No, but is it a long distance rod? Well, yes, it's a Canon. I even used this rod last fall, testing out the blank for albies with this little surface eraser. It is unbelievable how far this rod will cast. Happy, fun rod, moderate fast action. This rod can also come in handy on the boat. Last season, when chasing albies, we had this rod with us. You know those days when you just can't get close enough to the albies to catch them? Well, the cool thing about this rod, with the long distance paired with a Hogy surface eraser, we could reach those fish. Come on, these tight. Long, nice, easy flowing casts, get the distance you need, and boom, you're in action. That's why we put a gimbal butt on these. You can take them on the boat, put them in your leaning post, and they're gonna stay put. So we have 2 different iterations of the Hogy 7-foot pocket surf rod. We have a medium light and a medium heavy. Now, in either case, the rods are designed for a 3,000 to a 5,000 size reel. I think 4,000 is the sweet spot. In this case, I have 4,000 class Daiwas on with 20-pound test braid. They're designed for 15 to 30-pound test braid, but I think the sweet spot is 20-pound test braid. Now, the difference in these rods, the medium light is designed to cast 1/4 of an ounce, and you can push it to 1.25 ounces. So the medium heavy rod is designed to cast lures that are 7/8 of an ounce all the way up to 2 ounces. Here on this one, I have 1 5/8 ounce, 5.5 inch popper. In either case, these are both long distance rods. The lighter version's great for the small stuff. This medium heavy is highly versatile. You can fish, you can even push it above 2 ounces if you had to. But to me, again, it's a good 7/8 of an ounce to 2 ounce rod. So it's a better heavy duty rod. Anglers that fish bait would even use this for casting live eels.